Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright.
Hey guys! Today we'll be going to the beach.
I have a swimming suit.
We're going to the beach to do what?
Hunt. A scavenger hunt.
We're having a
And we're going to
treasure hunt on the beach to see what we can find.
We need a shovel so you can hide it.
Yeah, we're gonna get some stuff.
And we're going to be swimming in the water.
Be swimming in the water. You have a treasure hunt. We play some games and stuff while we're there.
Yeah! Are you guys ready?
Let's go. We made it. It's warm. It's not hot.
Here. Oh, I like that motorcycle.
He got shoes on. Oh. Go, Marie. We here. Yeah.
Oh, I want to do that!
There's a Ferris wheel over there.
Mommy, look!
We're here, y'all. With the kids. Answer.
Right here? Right here? We're going to go in the water.
You want us to stay back here?
There's sand in my shoes. Right here?
We're missing our 3 babies.
There's sand in my
Oh, they're not babies no more. They're grown and want to do their own thing. But,
There's sand in my feet.
all right, we'll take it out when we get there. Come on.
Mom, you want me to lay down in the water? You want me to lay down on top?
We're not going to get closer?
It's a problem down there.
I'm not trying to
Okay, you want to do this? Okay. Set up right here.
somebody parasail.
You got to go down to the beach and play.
This is the beach.
I'm talking about to the water.
Oh, that's the beach.
Hey, girls. We're going to have a scavenger hunt.
Ow!
Hey, Tom.
That's the pit?
Where?
Wow!
Yeah. That's where all the carnival
Can we
stuff
get on the
is.
rock? Look in the sky. Look in the sky.
Yeah, they can I get it? I can't see it. But they're in the air in the parachutes. Paragliding, I think it's called.
Mom, I'm not getting on that thing over there.
What? What? The bouncing ball? The thing on YouTube where people pass out?
I need help.
Naisha. Oh, sorry. doesn't like the water.
Mommy, it feel like it,
Never have.
it would feel like it's moving me back.
Yeah, because that's the current.
And I like it.
He eating. He all right. Yeah.
Can we go back?
Yeah, we're going back right now. I can't get wet. I can't get this wet, so.
That's salt water. For real? You got it in my eye.
That water is freezing.
That's as far as he go.
Yeah, that's as far as I'm going today.
Be careful. Barry, I'm gonna walk up to the boys. Be careful, Marie. Marie, this. Nana, what you doing? Right there.
I found seaweed. I found seaweed.
Yeah. leave the stuff in the water. Where are you going? Go get it. Throw it straight. Throw it straight. Hold on, go over there. Back up. Marie, catch it. Wait, Marie, back up, Nana. These little bugs are biting me. They playing football. And the girls were playing frisbee. Alright, y'all want to find it? You stepping on it. Okay, there's a scavenger hunt because it's old treasure hidden. It's old treasure hidden in there. And you gotta find it and we're gonna put it in there. No, we'll do that later. You start right here. Start digging right here.
On this side, Jay.
Look, Javon.
See the line? You just stepped over it, right in that area.
You gotta be careful. You gotta like.
Time. It's in there though.
Good job, Tone. No, Jay, be careful, okay? Nana, in there.
I found one.
Let me see. Oh, you found the pyramid. Put it in there, Tone. We're gonna.
Jay got
Jay
one.
got one. What you got? Put it in the box. Put it in the box. Here. Put it in there.
Here. Give him here.
Here, baby.
Give me the pyramid.
They found one. Nana found one. Marie, look in here.
Found one.
Jay got two.
I got one.
Now you should got two.
Jay. Let her find it. Help her. Go ahead, Marie. Look, dig in there. I put them in there.
How many more is this?
I got
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more.
I was just right there.
5 more.
Maybe I'll put it over there. Where they at?
Remember where you buried?
No.
Oh, Lord.
Over there. Where she? Where?
Found one.
No, that ain't.
That one?
No. Over here, Tom.
There's 4 more. Wait,
It's in here.
5 more.
Don't put it. Don't throw it back behind you. You gotta go in it. In it. They're really old.
I can't think of it.
They're really old. They're fossils.
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. They in this area somewhere. They're not over there, Jay, I don't think.
Found one.
Almost. Man,
Huh?
where you bury them?
Why you threw it?
No, I didn't throw it. I just set it down. I didn't hold it.
In here.
Mommy, I found one.
Oh, you got it? What you get? Let me see. Let me see.
Where you burying some-
I just put them together, so.
You ain't putting nothing toward the top, did you?
No, it's right here. Put your hands in it. They were all in the same spot where y'all were finding them. You got it? See, they all in the same spot. How many left?
Put it over there. 3 more.
Don't throw it in nobody's face.
Mom, I found one right here. Oh, shit.
What you got? Let me see. Let me.
I'm not winning right now.
She got 5, I think.
They're finding these in the sand. Don't throw it over here.
Found one.
You got it?
It was under 9 foot.
There's one more, guys. What you got? The triangle?
I found it. Look, Mom. That's not it.
This one has a dinosaur on it.
One more.
Oh,
One more, JD, and you be tied with Nana.
I found the whole seashell.
I think they're switching.
Found it.
Where? Let me
I
see.
kicked this in.
Let me see.
All right, we got them all.
Good job.
Good job. Thank you, Jay.
So look, I was like this. I was like, and then I was like this, and then I felt something, and then I picked it up and down.
Don't hit me with it though. I was trying to get out your way.
Let's do the jump.
What's wrong, baby? And play frisbee. He caught it. What's up? No, we're leaving.
Too quick.
Oh, that's cute. There's a little baby one. Put it in the bag.
Turn up, turn up, turn up. I didn't know you were turning up that all the way up.
Y'all gotta keep moving. Yeah, if I'm ever.
But he got a snake.
Oh, I want to go pet it.
Hold on, go across. Watch the tram first.
Wait.
Whoa, that's a lot. Mom, would you do that?
What they was doing this?
Daddy, would you rather do
If it
that?
costs
They're gonna take a picture with a snake.
Y'all do good in school, right? All right, so that means he's not gonna bite you.
Hey, you want to take a picture? Relax, yo.
You got your phone? Cause I'm recording it.
I'm fine with that.
Where Marie?
She didn't want to get in.
Where's she at?
Look up, y'all. Jay,
But where is she at?
right here. JJ. Oh my God, he's not looking up. Javon,
Javon.
look up. It's okay, don't scream.
Oh, you okay? Oh, you don't. All right, come on. Sorry. You all right?
Yeah, we got pictures.
All right. Look, it's nice.
Damn it.
All right.
It's at, but she had heart at least to hold it the
Yeah.
first time. She had to face her fear.
It stuck the tongue out.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
You got pictures, right, man?
Got big. I got the video.
All right.
Look, I was holding it.
Did you take the picture?
She jumped when I went to take it.
That's all right. Getting pizza. Huh? Oh yeah, they blowing bubbles over there. Y'all hungry? Yeah, 4 pepperoni, 4 plain, and 4. Why? Don't do that. Open the cup then. I didn't get yours, Jay.
Hit the balloon. Oh my God. You picked something small down there.
I'll take the red one.
Flower. What next?
You gotta stay behind the line.
Showtime. You get 3 shots. Oh. Close, buddy.
Get the daddy. Now Tony's turn. I'm gonna play. You gonna play?
Almost done.
I want to try.
One more. He's giving you one more.
I do one more shot.
I've got to pay for it.
I want to try. Just one. Here, I want to try.
It's para.
Y'all gotta shoot for the light.
Yeah, all you have to do is just shoot whatever the light is. Okay? So when the light changes, that's all you have to do. Just shoot that, okay? And the water comes hard, man.
Look, grab that zipper.
One and two.
The light, the light.
Let's do the light.
Shoot the light, shoot the light.
Follow that light. Let's see.
Good job.
Follow the light, follow the light.
The light.
You gonna do it? And number
Oh, JJ.
8 is the winner. Congratulations, number 8.
JJ won. Good job. It's okay. Good job.
Happy birthday.
All right, we found dinosaur.
And I
Here
found
you go, Tom. And your tools. So you gotta crack it some. You want this? And now I want the mummy.
What do you mean crack it? Where to crack it?
You use this and you chip at it.
Oh.
It should be some in the middle. Brush it.
Oh, I can do this. That's low. See that? I'm doing mine. Mom, we got the treasure. This is gonna take a long time. We keeping these?
Are you supposed to break it? There should be some inside, it said.
Come on, try the back.
Hey, baby.
Try the back.
You sure there's something in there?
I don't know. Look at the box.
I don't think. Stop.
Oh, they go to school. Mine.
Don't scratch the table.
I'm just saying.
He breaking his. They give you tools for it.
What the other one? Can I use the hammer?
Hold on.
The boys just. That's loud.
Hold on.
Honey, you got it.
No, don't.
Don't blow.
Got it?
Oh,
what is it?
Stone. Murray, keep
Naisha, one moment. Oh, you got 2 hearts?
No.
Oh, 1 heart and a stone. Not
How did you do that?
Daddy broke it.
Mom, we get to have the stuff we keep inside.
Alright, crack it open.
Here's my thing.
Oh, wait.
Also,
What's in yours?
I don't want to pull it because it might break.
Stop pulling. Stop pulling.
You're supposed to brush it away.
Hand me
Oh,
the
it's a
brush.
dinosaur.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta brush it. Here.
Okay.
Nah.
No, don't use the scissors. Where's the sticker? Where's the stick that came with it?
No.
What happened? I thought you said that.
Look. What's inside?
Alright, Dad, can you...
Carrot! Carrot of the Caribbean.
Dad, can you break this?
Alright. Can I get the brush? Dinosaur! Can I get the brush?
Tony got it. Hold on, Marie. Tell Daddy to do yours. No, tell
Daddy, can you break this one?
Anthony.
Wait, what did you say?
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh, let me see.
Pirates.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
He got a skull.
Keep breaking. It's right there. Whoa!
Is there something else in there?
Daddy, can you break this? Let me see that one.
Say, Mommy.
Dad, I'm the one in Jurassic Park. Ooh, I want to do this one.
No. Do the open ones. Hey, fine. Here. No, what you get? Oh, the little, what's this thing called?
Mommy.
Sphinx, I think.
Javon.
Daddy.
Mine has been positive for a couple of minutes now. Mine's been positive.
I got a green.
I don't know where they got this.
It's like metal. Marie got metal. The last one.
I'm missing them. It's a green dinosaur. Can I brush it?
If you can find the brush, Javon, I don't know
Where is
what to
it?
say.
Then you have it.
Where is it?
I don't know. You had it.
Daddy finally got it out. How do you like the green dinosaur? That look like an elephant. What was the other one?
That was it in that one.
Green dinosaur. I'm
What
a
you get, Marie?
gems finder.
What's that?
That was
A skull, and you got metal pieces. Let me see. You got the face thing.
I got dinosaurs.
I
And
got
you
gems.
Gems.
Ooh, where's me gems? Like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notifications.
And we out.
Peace.